Next, SUMIFS and COUNTIFS, IFS. In case if I want to get the result under Mukesh, I need the sum total of only the particular model number. But if it's single criteria, we can go here. Just like if and nested if. Here Ajmal, we can get through sum if and all, no issue. But this is two criteria and this is three criteria. How can we do that? Now we know that logic behind the arguments, right? That's meaningful one. Whenever you face this kind of multiple criteria which you need to apply, that case immediately put some ifs instead of some ifs. Here criteria showing first is sum range. Sum range in essence this one, right? Result. First it will show sum range. After that, here showing criteria 1, 2, 3, 4. See here dot is showing, right? And number of criteria we can give. Here two case, here this case is only two criteria. First we select the first argument sum range, comma. Next, see when I put the comma, it's expanding. First criteria range. Here criteria is first one Mukesh. Then Mukesh range is belong to salesman, right? Selecting completely, comma. Next one criteria Mukesh. Clear? Comma. Next criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 is GM31. It's a model number, right? That criteria, that criteria range should select model numbers. Comma. Next is criteria. And you can see this expanding 3, 4, 5 and all. But since we have only two criteria, I just close it. I'm not going to enter it. Again, I'm telling the first one what we put, sum range. We already selected. Next one is criteria range. First criteria is Mukesh. So Mukesh belongs to salesman. Salesman column completely we selected, right? And next one is criteria, proper criteria, that is Mukesh. And another one, criteria range 2 is SDM31 is belong to model number range, that completely we selected. After that SDM31 as a criteria. Enter it. We'll get a 646 result. We'll check. Mukesh, here also there, here also there, here also there. But in this, he has sold 3 transaction. 3 mobiles out of 3. SGM31 he has sold total cost of this one and this one, total 646, right? 646. Here also, can you just try from your end? Here 3 criteria is there. I just want to understand what's the total sum value, total revenue value which is generated by Ajmal. Not only that one, Ajmal itself, for this particular mobile number, only black, how many sales has been happened. So for that, equal to SUMIFS. Since it's multiple criteria, SUMIFS, open bracket, sum range, total sales, comma, start skin second argument, criteria range and criteria 1. Criteria range 1, criteria 1. So criteria range 1, what is our first criteria? Ajmal. So straight away don't click Ajmal. This is just a criteria, not criteria range. Criteria range means in a sense the range which is belong to criteria. So here Ajmal is belong to the salesman. So this is a set of range. Comma, criteria 1, this one Ajmal. Comma, next one criteria range 2. SDM30's criteria is belong to model number range. Selecting completely, comma, SDM31 as a criteria, comma, and next one is the black. Black is belong to colors range. So criteria range is colors. Selecting completely, comma, and black. Close the bracket, enter it, 900. Here, first one is you should keep as a sum range. Rest all are similar. First one is criteria range, not site away criteria. Next one criteria and criteria 2, criteria range 2, criteria range 3 and criteria. Similar, it will go also. Similar way, COUNTIF. So here I'm just giving this Ajmal. Anyway, we can get through SUMIF. Here, count ifs, criteria range, salesman, comma, and criteria Mukesh, comma. Next one is criteria range 2, model number, comma, criteria, second criteria, model, and right. Can you just try for 3 criteria for getting the result of these COUNTIFs?